have no idea how lucky you are to look the way you look now and to be the way you are. And you are perfect just the way you are.
Hi guys, I'm going to go see the fireworks with my friends. Kim is acting like a grandma beside us. Are you sure you're cut out for that? Kim, knock down a child and 4 kids. Do you think the Asian grandmas are enjoying this? Really now? Where is she? Supposed to be here. Oh, at the washroom? Where is Carrie Mary? Grandmas are not eating this up. They should get me on that stage. You guys want to go to the water? Confess you have a YouTube channel. The one in the white. I've never like seen them in my life. Yeah. What's up with Kim's facial expression? Wow. Where are your fingers? Let's touch fingers. No, Kim. Kim, you went too early. What's cute? Let me see it. What? You're not cute. V-pics. What the fuck? Come in. You're welcome. When you look back on this, you're gonna reminisce about the time you were 17, right? Our boyfriends. I hate Jolena. Okay, I'm not gonna put that one in. I already knew he was bald. Did nobody else know he was bald? Oh, sorry. Did you not know he was bald? No, I remember he was bald, but I forgot he was bald again. You look really good. Thank you. You look really good. You look extra good. You always look good. That's why. You think I would look more gay like her? Gang sign? Yeah. Their favorite. Kim's not It's going on public. Wow, we got no fans anyways. How dare you, Kim? I have 3 subscribers. We all subscribe. People don't like getting their face posted. Oh, I don't care. You can post me. Oh, great. I don't even care if I look bad. I'm trying to be featured. Why are you on? Can they deliver now or what? Yeah. I mean, though, Kim. Me. Let's go get ice cream. Do you want to get ice cream? I'll come with you. Where? Outside dogs. Wait, let's just see the line. That line is insane. You get french fries anywhere. You said you were so beautiful. You look really good. You said you were so beautiful. Oh, he's trying to make my day better, guys. Yes. I think you look so gorgeous. Hi. Hi. Thank you so much. Also, my mom's gonna be able to pick me up. Why am I holding Jelena's phone? When'd you come back? Wait, when is this vlog ending? I was at home. What? Introducing a new character. Hi. Yay.
pool party, so that'll be fun. I'm wearing a swimsuit under this, but I'm not too sure if I'll actually get into the pool or not.
Yeah. So today, guys, what are we doing today?
We're gonna be sticking our feet in the pool. And then eating all her cookies.
Because her cookies are bomb.
Her cookies are bomb. And then drinking all her lemonade.
Do you like my socks? They're Care Bears.
I think even how it works is you buy. I feel like that's how you do it. You buy a cup and then you fill it up. Why does it look like that? Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
I thought that was like part of the thing. I was like, why is it here?
Koreatown.
Let's look back on junior. Yeah, right before senior year. Yeah. That's the most important part. I only did it because like Nicole Leno did it. It's Nicole Leno. Did you not get into Nicole Leno? Oh! That's like, she's like, oh my god, I'm so sad. You know what?
See the reviews?
New jean hats. Hey, these are the new jean hats. Go up. It chose for us. Color frame. Happy birthday. Oh, okay. Oh wow, any moment now. Oh man. This is bad. I broke it.
Who's that one?
It's okay, at least we're on our way home.